Your face sounds familiar. Actually not few pala, many years ago, supposedly magkakaroon ng edition na parang duo. And doon po ako nag-audition talaga. Bagets na bagets ko po ako noon. But sadly, hindi natuloy. But it's okay kasi God's timing is perfect. And ngayon, in-offer po ulit sa akin na makasala sa Your Face. And I immediately, without any hesitation, I said yes po agad. Kasi for me, this can be a good avenue to show and maybe to prove myself then and to prove myself worthy of the title Gen Z Total Performer. So with this show, mas maipapakita ko po yung ibang mga kaya kong gawin na baka hindi ko po napapakita sa ibang mga shows or sa ibang mga naging projects ko po. That's why I really said yes. And para na rin po gumaling as an artist. Kasi sabi ko nga, whether manalo or matalo, hindi naman yun yung goal ko sa pagsali dito. Because I know na pag sumali ka dito, you're gonna come out a better performer. For sure. Lahat po kami, I'm sure we're gonna improve and gagaling talaga. So, yun din po yung habol ko talaga dito. Improvement and growth. For the growth.
Amen.